Samsung's Galaxy A56 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated mid-range smartphones of 2025. With its predecessor, the Galaxy A55, skipping the US market last year, speculation is rife about whether the A56 will finally make an appearance stateside. For fans of the Galaxy S series, this phone is more than just a mid-range option. It's a testament to how Samsung consistently pushes the boundaries of affordability and premium features. Let's talk release timelines. Samsung has maintained a consistent pattern for unveiling its Galaxy M models. The Galaxy A55 debuted on March 11, 2024, the A54 on March 15, 2023, and the A53 on March 17, 2022. If the trend holds, we can expect the Galaxy A56 to be announced in mid-March 2025. Typically, Samsung releases the phone a few weeks after the announcement, suggesting a possible April launch for retail availability. It's still early, but these timelines have rarely shifted, giving us a solid basis for predictions. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Galaxy A56 is its rumored feature upgrades. This device is expected to offer premium features typically reserved for Samsung's flagship Galaxy S lineup. Among the most talked about is its potential support for 45-watt fast charging, a significant leap from the Galaxy A55's 25-watt capability. The faster charging spec was recently listed in the China Compulsory Certification Database, confirming the possibility of 10 volts at 4.5 amps. Interestingly, this would place the Galaxy A56 ahead of even the base Galaxy S24 model, which offers only 25-watt charging. If true, this enhancement could position the A56 as a standout in the mid-range category, particularly for users who prioritize quick power-ups. But Samsung's strategy with the Galaxy S series isn't without its complexities. Last year's decision to omit the Galaxy A55 from the US market left many puzzled. The move was reportedly aimed at steering consumers toward the Galaxy S23 series, narrowing the price gap between the two lines. With the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition now on the market at a slightly higher price point than its predecessor, the question remains, will Samsung repeat the strategy with the A56, or will it reintroduce this mid-range powerhouse to the US? If Samsung decides to launch it globally, the Galaxy A56 could potentially fill a significant gap in pricing and features for customers seeking value-packed smartphones without breaking the bank. Apart from fast charging, other rumored upgrades include improvements to the display and performance. While specifics are still under wraps, early leaks hint at a brighter AMOLED screen with higher refresh rates, which would enhance both everyday use and gaming experiences. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 is expected to house a more efficient processor, offering smoother multitasking and better energy management. These features, combined with its refined design, could make the A56 a favorite among those who want flagship-like features in a more affordable package. Samsung's commitment to improving its mid-range lineup has always been impressive. By blending premium features with accessible pricing, the Galaxy A56 has the potential to outshine competitors like Google's Pixel 8a and possibly even the Pixel 9a. Whether it's the enhanced charging speed, potential display upgrades, or overall value proposition, the smartphone is shaping up to be a true competitor in its class. As we await more concrete details, one thing is clear. The Galaxy A56 could redefine what we expect from mid-range smartphones in 2025. It's not just about keeping up with trends. It's about setting new benchmarks. Will Samsung deliver on the hype? We'll find out soon enough. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.